Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to explore with you the unique features of Norwex Microfiber Cleaner Laundry Booster. The Microfiber Cleaner Laundry Booster is honestly your ultimate deep cleaning solution. And it's a must-have if you use Norwex. It's a must-have if you're dealing with tough stains and unpleasant odors or cloths that aren't absorbing well. So unlike harsh chemicals like bleach and ammonia, the Microfiber Cleaner Booster is a safe and effective way to eliminate those stubborn stains and odors and really thoroughly get rid of all the set-in grime in your cloths. And you can also use it on your other laundry. And it works great in hard water. It's formulated with an enzyme blend. 1 scoop of this booster breaks down and removes various stains such as grease, grass stains, urine, blood, grime, sweat, all the things, restoring our microfiber and our laundry to a bright, clean, and odor-free state. It contains 53% bio-based content from plants and other renewable resources, making it a very good eco-friendly choice. I use it with all my Norwex microfiber products, including those that have our Backlock, which is our silver antibacterial agent. This is safe for septic systems and will work very hard to keep your fabrics and the environment in good condition. Let's talk about how to use this. To properly use a microfiber cleaner, let's follow some steps. First, I like to use it as a deep soak. Fill a sink or a 1-gallon bucket with hot water, never boiling, and dissolve a full scoop of the booster. And then I add about 10 heavily soiled Norwex microfiber cloths. I will let them soak for at least 30 minutes, rinse them out really well, and either tumble or air dry. Alternatively, after soaking, sometimes I will place all those items into the washing machine and launder them on a normal cycle with my Norwex laundry detergent. So I hope this has been valuable. This is your go-to. And if you've had your Norwex cloths for a while, we always recommend that you deep clean them every 2 to 3 months to keep them working at their peak performance. And if you love your Norwex microfiber, it will love you right back. Have a great day. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye guys.